To check if a sealant application is smooth and level, observe the bead closely and act immediately if you see imperfections. Start by inspecting the bead from multiple angles under good light to spot low spots, high ridges, or gaps. Run a fingertip or a dedicated caulk tool along the bead within a few minutes of application to level and compress the material so it adheres uniformly to both surfaces. If you see sagging or slipping on a vertical joint, support the bead by backing it with tape or a thin fillet of foam during reapplication and work in shorter sections next time. For porous or uneven substrates, press the sealant firmly into the joint to eliminate voids and ensure proper contact, and consider a primer if the manufacturer recommends one for adhesion. Use consistent pressure on the applicator and move at a steady speed to keep bead thickness uniform, and keep a damp rag or solvent nearby to remove excess before it skins over. If the sealant skins quickly, finish smoothing with a tool wetted with the approved soaping solution or solvent to avoid dragging cured material. Allow the recommended cure time in a dust-free environment and recheck for any shrinkage that can create voids after the initial set. Common issues include sagging on vertical joints, which happens when the bead is too heavy or the sealant is not thixotropic enough. Fix it by tooling immediately and reapplying in smaller beads with a backing material if needed. Another frequent problem is surface voids from not forcing the sealant into the joint. Correct this by reopening the bead where needed, packing material into the gap, and tooling to compress the sealant against both surfaces. The third concern is an uneven finish caused by inconsistent tool pressure or skinning during tooling. Prevent it by working steadily, keeping your tool slightly damp with the recommended solution, and cleaning or replacing the tool between passes to avoid dragging cured edges. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project listings that help contractors find work relevant to their skills. We also host an active discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common quality control tasks like sealant inspection.